Welcome to part 17 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Discuss. Discuss. We will discuss the project in class today. Carry. Carry. I will carry my bag to school. Pick. Pick. You can pick your favorite color from the box. Separate. Separate. Please separate the toys into 2 groups. Confirm. Confirm. I will confirm the time of the meeting. Experience. Experience. She wants to experience new things on her vacation. Leave. Leave. We will leave the house at 7 o'clock. Remind. Remind. Please remind me to bring my lunch tomorrow. Prefer. Prefer. I prefer vanilla ice cream over chocolate. Prepare. Prepare. I will prepare my school bag tonight. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.